If you let go, it's not the world you'll lose.
I'm not leaving you. I'm just finishing what you dragged me back for.
I didn't drag you, I opened the door.
Then close it. The path ahead is long, but we shall endure.
Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. Higsfield is rapidly emerging as the fastest growing Gen AI company, driven by a bold mission to empower creativity. With a clear vision to become the most creator-friendly platform worldwide, it focuses on building tools that inspire innovation, simplify content creation, and give creators unmatched freedom to express and share their ideas. This week Higgsfield is introducing Cinema Studio 2.0, the next generation of cinematic AI video tools. The original Cinema Studio focused on creating individual, high-quality shots. Version 2.0 takes it further. You can now cast characters and direct their performances across multiple scenes. Navigate through your images as 3D environments. Genre presets define the cinematic feel of your shot. Speed ramping gives you precise timing control as you generate. Now let's click on Cinema Studio 2.0. And now we are on Cinema Studio 2.0 dashboard. In Cinema Studio, you can see image and video option. First, let's explore image option. By clicking on plus icon, you can add your image. But I will make an image here by prompt. I have pasted a prompt that I have generated by ChatGPT. Set batch size option, I will keep it 2. Aspect ratio I will set 16:9. Resolution I will set 2K. Grid model preview variations in 2x2, 3x3, or 4x4 grid layouts. This allows faster iteration and creative comparison before committing to animation. You can also add elements. Here you can add up to 3 characters to your scene. Direct who appears in each shot. You can assign emotions per character per shot: happy, sad, angry, surprised, focused. Write dialogue and the system handles lip sync automatically. Characters stay visually consistent across your entire sequence. It's best option for storytelling videos. Now set camera model, lens, focal length and aperture. Now click on Generate. Within few seconds image is ready. And now you can see the quality of image. Below you have multiple options to modify it. I feel satisfied with output, so I will download it. Now let's try new 3D model, click on Create 3D Scene. Multi-shot can be used to expand your scene. Click on multi-shot. What's next is new feature that analyze image and makes images to further expand your scene. Click on What's next? Now click on 3D Scene. In 3D environment you can optimize your image shot for best results, you can even change its focal length. You can move it left, right, up and down. You have various options here to make your shot best. Once all set, click on Capture Shot, or you can press Enter key. Now let's check multi-shot option. And here you can see multi-shot images. You can click on Animate to make your video click from here. Now I will click on What is Next Images. And here you can see 8 different images to make your cinematic clips. It's best tool for creators looking for inspiration for video's next scene. Now click on Video. In Director panel you have 3 options. Single shot will use just one image and prompt. Multi-shot auto will use different images with one prompt or no prompt. Multi-shot manual will use different images and different prompts for each shot. In multi-shot manual you can set time for each shot, it can be 2 to 12 seconds. Now set aspect ratio. Resolution I will set 1080p. In genre you can set emotion of clip. You can set action, horror, comedy, western, surprise, intimate, etc. Audio you can keep on or off, I will keep it on. Batch size I will set 1. You have movements options like earlier version. For now, I will keep it auto. In speed ramp choose slow motion for dramatic emphasis, linear speed for natural movement, or accelerated for high energy. For now, I will keep it auto. Duration you can set up to 12 seconds. I am making clips in sequence so I will set it 8 seconds. Now for start frame and end frame I will use images that I generated in What's New option. Now click on Generate. And within few minutes video clip is ready. And you can see the output. I will use other images that I have generated earlier to make multiple clips in sequence. So this way you can upgrade your creativity by using Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. Here you can compare pricing plans for Higsfield with other AI platforms to make right choice. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.